FaceTiming the BF. But yeah, so pretty much what we're gonna do, we have the ring light on because there's not good lighting here, but I'm gonna go through all like my bras, underwear, socks, and then just like through all my drawers here. So we're gonna go through this drawer, go through pajamas. I'm gonna try to get rid of some more pajamas, go through Simpson, get rid of him. And then I have like some pants and just like more going out stuff down there. So we're gonna go through this whole dresser today and just like literally get rid of stuff. And if I know that I'm literally never gonna reach for it, like just get rid of it. Alright you guys, so we did a great job so far. So I pretty much just tried to, if I can show you, I have like a few t-shirts here just like casually because I don't keep a lot of t-shirts. These are pajama bottoms and then pajama tops, and they're kind of like workout tops too at the moment, and I want to go through them again before I go back to London, but I work out in like pajama casual tops too, so that's why I have like a few more. Then here I have all like my basic tops, just like tank tops and t-shirts, so I just keep them here, but I got rid of a few of them. And then this is my underwear and bra drawer. I'm so happy with it now. It still looks intense. I have to go through all these socks and stuff again. I just like, I'm obsessed with fuzzy socks, but none of them have holes in, so I don't want to say goodbye to them. But I realized like I have like no socks, so definitely when I'm running out I'm gonna get new ones, and then like just bralettes and stuff like that. But I'm happy about that. And then going through here are just like random t-shirts and stuff. So like these are just like a few workout tops and then a few beach tops, and then just random t-shirts honestly that I wear as like basics, and just like bodysuits that I'll sometimes wear in the summer. And then down here I have stuff for going out, and then just a few pants. And I want to show you guys what I got rid of. So this is a garbage one, like they're just garbage, there's no point of keeping them. This is stuff I'm going to try to sell on Carousel, and this is stuff that I'm either going to, I'm letting like my sister go through it to see if she like likes any of it or if it'll fit her, and then if there's nothing, then I'm either going to bring it to my work or women's shelter or something like that. Alright you guys, so to conclude this part of the dresser, this is right now clothing that I'm going to bring to work. This is all clothing that I'm going to try to list on Carousel, and honestly if it doesn't sell in like a few days or something, I'm probably just going to bring it to work or donate it. These two bags are fully of clothing that is just complete garbage. Like the clothing has like holes in it and it's super old, so it's like literally not even worth bringing to Value Village or something, or a homeless shelter, because it has holes in it and it's ripped and it's so old, so it's not even wearable. And how insane is that I got rid of that much stuff that literally can't even be given away. So I'm super happy with our progress right now. Alright you guys, so obviously like this isn't just gonna be like the whole vlog. You guys are gonna see the next part. I think next I'm going to tackle my closet, because there's honestly even just so much stuff in there that I don't need. So that's probably gonna be part of this too. Like the first part of this minimalistic try to lifestyle, like bring down what we own, is gonna be the clothing part, and then we're going to move on to another part of the room/life. Alright you guys, now it's Friday. The last time I saw you guys I think was Wednesday when I was cleaning up my room, which obviously was just a second ago that you guys saw. But now we're back at it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through that bad boy, the closet. We're gonna try to get rid of as much stuff as we can. I feel like this might be a bit easier because I kind of already went through my closet, but we're gonna go through the closet again, and then we're gonna go through my shoes, because I have a duffel bag over here that literally is just shoes, and half the shoes I know that I don't wear anymore, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Honestly, I just want to get rid of everything. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the damage. So pretty much this is the damage. These 2 bags are gonna be donated straight away to Goodwill or like Salvation Army, something like that. Those 2 bags are going for sure to my work, just to see if any girls want them before I donate them. And then that whole pile I'm gonna try to sell. I'm gonna post them on Carousel right now. And then if they don't end up getting sold on Carousel, honestly in the next like week, 2 weeks, I'm just gonna either see if any girls want them from my work or donate them, because I just need to get them out of my room, honestly. It'd be nice to make a bit of money off the stuff, but I would rather just get rid of it finally, because the longer I prolong it, it's still gonna be here then. So let's post those clothes on Carousel, because I want to try to get that done and hopefully sell a few items. Alright you guys, today is the June 17th, and happy Father's Day. But yeah, today I'm going to sell more clothes on Carousel. I've actually already gotten a few like messages from it, which I'm super happy about, because your girl likes selling clothes. So I'm gonna take the pictures of everything else that I'm selling and then post it, because it's actually a lot easier than I thought. And I'm going to link my Carousel down below, like if you guys want to see any of them, because I feel like I'm putting really fair prices, just because I would rather sell them than just give them to a shelter, because a lot of it's like really good stuff that honestly, like some of it I haven't even like worn. I've worn like once or twice, so I thought I may as well try to sell it first. But yeah, so check it out if you guys want to see anything. But yeah, let's take more pictures and post more.